Find cocktail recipes. Looking for cocktail recipes. There are many ways to find cocktail recipes, ranging from attending bartending school and browsing through a cocktail recipe book to asking a friend and searching online. In this article, we will focus on how to conduct an online search for cocktail recipes and recommend websites that offer cocktail recipes. How to search for cocktail recipes online. Enter the URL of your favorite search engine, such as google.com. Type cocktail recipes into your search engine and initiate the search. Browse through the search results to view the countless number of cocktail recipes available to you online. If you are looking for cocktail recipes that call for a certain type of alcohol or ingredient, be sure to include those words in your search query. For example, if you are searching for a cocktail recipe that uses rum as the primary liquor, type rum cocktail recipe in your search query. Quick tips: if you are searching for cocktail recipes that call for specific liquors, be sure to include the name of the alcohol in your search query. Useful links: Drinks Mixer, Drink Nation Drink of the Week.